So what we have here is a hitch, a 2-inch hitch that's going to go on my car. It's going to go there, and I'm going to put it on. And I bought this online, had it delivered all the way from, where is it? I saw the Kent, all the way from Kent, Washington. It's a company called EcoHitch, TorkLift. It's a company, and they make the EcoHitch, which means this is made from recycled metal. That's why it's called the EcoHitch. Made in the USA, it's powder coated, really durable. It bolts on. There's no drilling required. It bolts onto the existing bumper pillars. And the only thing that you will see when that's under my car is just from there to that, and it'll stick out. All this will be up, hidden away under the bumper. So why am I putting a hitch on? Well, I'll show you. So the reason I got the hitch is so I can put this bike rack on. It's a hitch mounted bike rack. No more on the roof for me. Bikes will ride behind the car. I got this on Facebook Marketplace for 75% off retail, and it had only been used once, according to the couple, and I believe it. It's in great shape. So this part just fits in that hole in the hitch, and the bike rack hangs off the car, and it'll fold down and do all stuff and all kinds of stuff and get out of the way. I've got keys. They finally found the keys and sent them to me. Really important to have those. Man, it is landing time at Dulles. Dulles is about 10 miles that way, and they are just coming in left and right today, along with the sirens and the trains in town. It's loud here. So anyway, to the car, I'm going to install this myself. I have to take off the entire bumper fascia and the lights. So I'm going up to a garage up in Pennsylvania again to do that myself. And I'll need a helper. Somebody's going to help me there, get this whole fascia off, just to lift it off. And the bumper comes off. There's 2 pillars underneath here and a bar, which is the actual bumper underneath all this. And that's where this bolts onto the frame. And then this just comes down. So the only thing you see is that part. So it'll be nice and neat and tucked up out of the way. And these are highly rated hitches. So I'm looking forward to putting that on finally and being able to take my bike places. So yeah. I'm in Mont, Alto, PA, the wonderful town of Mount Alto.
I want you to get together. I want you to get together. I want you to get together. Put your hands together one time. I want you to get together. 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 Put your hands together one time. I want you to get together.
reveal. Oh, we got a drill. There she is. Installed. Bumper's back on. Got it all under there. And there she is. All neat. Only thing that comes out is like that. Not bad. Nice and neat. So here she is on the car. It's pretty on there pretty well. It's not going to move. So I have this cinch strap which Thule provides, but I had to get one of my own. This isn't the official one because the owner didn't give me that, the previous owner, and I had to configure all these straps because they just slapped them on there, and I had to figure that out with the manual I downloaded online. So there she is, all ready to go. I'm not real keen on this right now, the way this is on the bike. It keeps the wheel from turning, and it's an extra security point, at least if it falls. It's got all kinds of locking points. It's got a cable that comes out from somewhere, this, and then it locks in so you can lock your bikes, and then somewhat, and then down here you can lock this to your car so that locks and you can't take this off the car, say when you're out biking. And fortunately my trunk pretty much clears, so I can get into my trunk and out of my trunk with my bike on there, which is great. So fantastic. And it kind of matches the car, the color, so even better.